Hey there, cabin and cottage lovers. Welcome to our cozy corner of the internet, where we explore the beauty and charm of rustic retreats. Today, we're diving into some stunning design ideas that will inspire you to create your own serene getaway. Whether you're dreaming of a sleek walnut brown living room or a tranquil outdoor patio, we got something special for you. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and stick around till the end for some fabulous tips and inspiration to elevate your spaces. Imagine stepping into a serene living room that feels like a warm hug. The sleek walnut brown furniture invites you to relax, while the soft gray walls create a calm backdrop. Vintage West Elm decor adds a stylish touch, and large windows let the sunshine pour in, brightening up the space. Lush green plants bring a breath of fresh air, making this a perfect spot to unwind with a good book or enjoy quiet moments of reflection. Every detail here whispers comfort and tranquility, creating a cozy atmosphere where you can truly feel at home. Picture yourself in an inviting dining area where every meal feels special. The walnut brown table, surrounded by soft gray upholstered chairs, sets the stage for laughter and connection. A delightful centerpiece of fresh flowers adds a pop of color, while vintage West Elm tableware brings a touch of elegance. Delicate light fixtures hang above, casting a warm glow that invites you to sit down and savor moments with loved ones. This space is all about creating cherished memories over delicious meals, making it a true heart of the home. Imagine retreating to a tranquil bedroom that feels like your own personal sanctuary. The walnut brown furniture complements the soft gray bedding, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. Vintage West Elm nightstands with stylish lamps add a touch of elegance, while large windows frame a peaceful view that soothes the soul. This is a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and indulge in restful sleep or quiet moments of reflection. Everything here is designed to envelop you in comfort, making it a perfect haven for rejuvenation. Think of a charming home office where creativity flourishes. Sleek walnut brown shelves are filled with books and decorative items that inspire you every day. The soft gray walls create a calming backdrop, while a vintage West Elm desk with an elegant lamp invites you to get to work. Artwork that speaks to your soul adorns the walls, making this space uniquely yours. It's not just an office, it's a cozy nook where ideas come to life and productivity flows, allowing you to truly enjoy your work. Envision a delightful sunroom that feels like a slice of paradise. Sleek walnut brown furniture, paired with soft gray cushions, beckons you to sit down and relax. Surrounded by large windows, the room is drenched in natural light, showcasing beautiful greenery outside. It's an oasis of peace where you can sip your morning coffee or unwind with a good book. The vintage West Elm accents add a stylish flair, making this space perfect for enjoying quiet moments or hosting intimate gatherings with friends. Imagine a cozy reading nook that's just waiting for you to settle in. A walnut brown armchair invites you to sink into its embrace, while a soft gray throw blanket adds warmth. A vintage West Elm side table holds your favorite books and a steaming cup of tea, creating the perfect atmosphere for leisurely afternoons. Positioned beside a window, this nook welcomes the gentle light of day, providing a serene backdrop for contemplation and escape. It's a little corner of the world designed just for you, where you can let your imagination wander. Picture a sophisticated entryway that greets you with style and warmth. A sleek walnut brown console table stands against soft gray walls, adorned with tasteful artwork that reflects your personality. Vintage West Elm decorative accents add charm and character, making every guest feel welcomed. This entrance not only sets the tone for your home, but also showcases your unique style, creating an inviting atmosphere right from the moment you walk in. It's a lovely introduction to the cozy spaces that lie ahead, ready to embrace you. Imagine a stylish kitchen that feels both modern and inviting. With walnut brown cabinetry and soft gray countertops, this space is a perfect blend of elegance and functionality. Vintage West Elm accents add character, while modern appliances make cooking a breeze. An inviting breakfast nook bathed in natural light provides the ideal spot for savoring morning coffee or casual meals. Here, every detail is designed to inspire culinary creativity and create a warm atmosphere where family and friends can gather and share delicious moments. Envision a beautiful guest room that feels like a warm embrace. Walnut brown furniture and soft gray bedding create a serene atmosphere, perfect for relaxation. Vintage West Elm decor adds thoughtful touches that make visitors feel special, while fresh flowers brighten up the space. With carefully chosen artwork and cozy accents, this room ensures a welcoming and comfortable atmosphere for anyone who stays. Every element is designed to provide a restful retreat, making it a delightful experience for guests to unwind and enjoy. Think of a peaceful outdoor patio that invites you to relax and unwind. Sleek walnut brown furniture, soft gray cushions, and vintage West Elm accents come together to create a stylish retreat surrounded by lush greenery. This space is perfect for enjoying summer evenings, whether you're sipping a cool drink or watching the sunset. It's an oasis where you can connect with nature and find tranquility, making it an ideal spot for intimate gatherings or quiet moments of reflection. Imagine a luxurious bathroom that feels like a personal spa retreat. Walnut brown cabinetry and soft gray tiles create a soothing atmosphere, while vintage West Elm accessories add an elegant touch. Natural light pours in through large windows, enhancing the serene ambience. This is not just a bathroom, it's a sanctuary where you can indulge in relaxation and self-care. Every detail is designed to provide comfort and tranquility, making it a perfect escape from the outside world. Picture a beautiful hallway lined with walnut brown accents and soft gray walls, creating a warm and inviting path throughout your home. Tasteful artwork and vintage West Elm mirrors adorn the walls, reflecting light and adding character. This hallway is not just a passage, it's a charming introduction to the different spaces that make your home unique. Every step you take here invites you to explore and appreciate the thoughtful design and warmth that fills your home. Envision a charming breakfast area that feels cozy and inviting every morning. A walnut brown table surrounded by soft gray chairs creates a perfect setting for enjoying meals. Vintage West Elm tableware adds elegance, while a large window showcases a lovely garden view, bringing the beauty of nature indoors. This space is all about connection and warmth, making it an ideal spot for savoring leisurely breakfasts and creating cherished memories over delicious food. Imagine a sophisticated entertainment room where relaxation meets style. With walnut brown furniture, soft gray walls, and vintage West Elm decor, this space is designed for enjoyment. A cozy sofa and stylish coffee table create an inviting atmosphere, perfect for movie nights or casual gatherings with friends. Every detail is thoughtfully curated to ensure comfort and fun, making it a go-to spot for unwinding and connecting with loved ones. Think of a serene craft room where creativity knows no bounds. Walnut brown shelving holds colorful supplies and materials, while soft gray work surfaces provide a calming backdrop for your projects. Vintage West elm accents add charm and inspiration, making this space perfect for unleashing your artistic side. Natural light floods the room, creating a bright and uplifting environment where you can explore your creativity and bring your ideas to life. Envision a welcoming laundry room that feels both functional and stylish. With walnut brown cabinets and soft gray walls, this space is designed for efficiency without sacrificing charm. Vintage West elm storage solutions keep everything organized, making chores a breeze. It's more than just a laundry room. It's a well-thought-out area that ensures your tasks are handled smoothly while maintaining an inviting atmosphere. Imagine a tranquil meditation space that invites you to find peace. Walnut brown seating, soft gray cushions, and vintage West elm decor create a serene environment where you can escape the chaos of life. Surrounded by plants and bathed in natural light, this space is perfect for reflection and mindfulness. Every detail is designed to support your journey of inner peace, making it a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation. Picture a cozy game room where fun and relaxation come together. With walnut brown furnishings, soft gray walls, and vintage West elm accents, this space is designed for enjoyment. It's a welcoming atmosphere that encourages leisure and entertainment, making it the perfect spot for gathering with friends or simply unwinding with your favorite games. Every detail is curated to create a joyful experience, ensuring that laughter and good times fill the air. Thanks for joining us on this delightful journey through cabin and cottage inspiration. We hope you found ideas that spark your creativity and help you transform your own spaces into cozy sanctuaries. Remember, it's all about creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that feels like home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cozy content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy decorating!